Next, we get to another critical integration point. We need to break down our major deliverables from the project scope statement into smaller, more manageable pieces. We need to use the work breakdown structure here. The work breakdown structure is the tool that helps you break down the whole project scope and identify 100% of it. It consists of big pieces of tangible results that we already called deliverables and smaller pieces called work packages. These all have unique identifiers that clearly state their position in the WBS, and we call it WBS index. In practice, we place deliverables from the scope statement at the first level of the decomposition in WBS. And by the way, from practical standpoint, I recommend that you retain the naming conventions for deliverables that come from clients. Again, the idea is to first list all major components of the project, then we need to decompose each deliverable into smaller components, the work packages. And remember that work packages should also be finished, tangible and testable pieces of the project, but just smaller. In practice, it again means lots of meetings with subject matter experts and the team. However, it's crucial that you clearly explain the concepts and rules of a quality WBS to them. They don't know these concepts. For example, one rule of thumb from the controlling standpoint is to make a work package small enough to fit within one reporting period. That's how you know that you have broken down the project deep enough. And here's another important rule. If something is not in the work breakdown structure, it's not a part of the project. Again, in practice, it means that if you can't logically categorize a piece of work under one of the major deliverables, you have most likely failed to identify 100% of the project scope. And it's a warning sign for scope creep. Again, in the real world, I don't recommend creating a separate document for WBS. Instead, you must use the concepts inside your project management application to structure your project the same way.